from Shivnaz School, Gurgaon, and I'm very excited to present my DIY project for the session 2, loop list tuples for the efficient coding. Now, the project that I've designed using this specific concept, loop list and tuples, is a smart shopping cart assistant, and it is powered by the Tobi for making it more interactive and fun. The purpose of creating this specific tool is because let's say sometime we go to shopping and we have a list of item, and because the list size is very big, so either we need to write it down on a paper or something, or if we are not having a paper to write down, then there can be a case that we missed out some of the items from the list that we are going to purchase. So basically the purpose of this software is to tell you that what items you have purchased and what item is still missing from the cart, so that you are not going to miss out some items when you go for purchasing. So just to tell you the flow of this specific software, so when I click on run option, the top is start welcoming the user, introducing the shopping list. In this case, our shopping list is stored in form of a tuple, where we have 5 items, that is the commonly used item we get for our household, that is milk, bread, eggs, cheese, tomato. So you can also increase the size of this tuple. Means if you have more item, you can add more item to this specific tuple, so that you can just try to make it much more bigger. Like you can have a big list of items that you wanted to buy. Now what I'll try to do is I'll just try to run the code just to show you how this is going to work. So when I'm going to click on a run option, so right now on my screen, you can see then that if I'm adding, let's say, milk, and so it is showing it, that I have already milk in my cart. Now it is showing me what items that are missing, that is bread, eggs, cheese, tomato. Let's say I'm going to add tomato, and you can see from the terminal that right now bread, egg, and cheese is missing, and even you can see the top is also saying the same thing. So somehow whatever item I am putting in the input option, it is checking with the tuple, the data stored in the tuple. If that item is found, then it is going to delete that item and going to show other item as a missing item, so that I can get reminded that I need to add this specific item for the now if I'll just try to add more thing. Let's say I'll just add cheese. So you can see now in my shopping cart there are only 2 items that is missing, that is either bread and cheese. Just to tell you the technicality, the heart of this project is this while loop, which is also called an infinite or a forever loop right now, because I am putting while true, means the condition is always going to true. So in case if I wanted to get exit of this specific infinite loop, I am using a break statement. Now there are some basic thing that I've used, like tuple for fixed data. Right now I can also use a list instead of using a tuple, but right now my purpose is because I don't want to spend extra money when I go for shopping. I just wanted to buy only those items that is required by me, because sometimes it happens I spend over extra money if I go to a shopping mall. Then this specific software helped me to get rid of that situation. I'll only buy those items that is required the most. The purpose of list in my code is for the dynamic user input, so that dynamically user can add any item or can check. The purpose of the loop here, if you is to check, continuously check whether the item is missing from the list or not. Now the purpose of Toby is also to help us track our progress by showing which items are still missing from the shopping list or something. And this is done using a loop and list that is I'm putting in my code. Now once all the shopping list items are added, the loop is going to exit. So if I add, let's say, bread and eggs in my code, if you see bread and if I add eggs, so you can see this is going to say thanks for shopping and goodbye. Means it is only going to help me to spend less and buy only those items that are required. I'm not going to get scolding from my mother, like when I go back home she will not say like why you buy those chocolate or something like that. Sometimes it happens when we go to shopping mall, we see some items which is getting cheaper or something and we buy that. So it is also going to help you to like over shopping to, yeah, so that you will not over shop something. Now this project is basically help me practice data types like list, tuples, use loops and conditions very effectively. Also, it's like a connecting the dot from the session 1 to session 2. Also, like adding a Tobi character is going to be is making it much more interactive, and it is adding some sort of user friendliness in the software. When someone is a character is saying something and I'm able to see, or it is also like a UI, good UI. So I think this tool from Stempedia, PictoBlox, is very good because whatever I am exploring right now, it's very amazing. I just wanted this sort of software, and they have given it to us, and I'm finding it very amazing because it is very easy to use, and also it is helping us to do transition from block code to text-based coding in a very simpler way. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and thank you for watching, and happy coding. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.